Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove dirt from water pipes using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, such as a wrench, a bucket, and a garden hose. Next, locate your main water shutoff valve and turn it completely off. This prevents water flow during the cleaning process. Finally, open a few faucets to drain any remaining water from your pipes, ensuring the system is empty and ready for cleaning. Now, let's flush out that sediment. Attach one end of a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of your water heater. Direct the other end of the hose to a floor drain or outside. Slowly open the drain valve and let the water run. You will likely see discolored water initially. Continue flushing for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the water runs completely clear. After flushing the main lines, individual faucets might still have some buildup. Carefully unscrew the aerator from the tip of each faucet. Inspect the small screen for any trapped dirt or mineral deposits. Place the aerators in a small bowl filled with white vinegar and let them soak for about 30 minutes. This helps dissolve stubborn mineral buildup. Rinse them well and reattach them to your faucets. To keep your pipes clean long-term, consider installing a whole-house water filter. This device catches sediment before it enters your plumbing. Also, make it a habit to flush your water heater and pipes every 6 to 12 months, following the steps we just covered. If you live in an area with hard water, a water softener can significantly reduce mineral buildup, keeping your pipes cleaner for much longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.